Hello my dear kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn about the phonic sound of English alphabet A to M. So let's see how to learn it. Let us start learning. What is this? This is letter A. This is letter A. A says I. A for apple. A for apple. Next letter B. B says B. B says B. B for ball. B for ball. Next letter C. C says K. C says K. C for cat. C for cat. This is letter D. This is letter D. D says D. D says D. D for duck. D for duck. This is letter E. E says A. E says A. E for egg. E for egg. This is letter F. F says F. F says F. F for flower. F for flower. Next letter Z. Z says G. Z says G. Z for glass. Z for glass. This letter H. H says H. H says H. H for house. H for house. Then letter I. I says E. I says E. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Letter Z. J says Z. Z says Z. Z for zug. Z for zug. Then letter K. K says K. K says K. K for kite. K for kite. This letter L. L says L. L says L. L for leaf. L for leaf. Then letter M. M says Ma. M says Ma. M for mango. M for mango. Thank you kids.